Photo shoot on a beautiful sunny day. Upcoming listing. We couldn't have asked for better weather. Sunlight poured into every corner of this cozy home, highlighting its warmth and charm. The natural growth make every corner shine. Just this kind of magic we love to capture. Can't wait to share the results. The versatile den, perfect as a third bedroom, truly shines in this space. Stay tuned. This stunning home is hitting the market soon. Let's get it sold. 陽光普照嘅拍攝日，新盤預告。今次呢，影相啱啱遇上靚天氣，陽光灑滿每個角落，令呢個溫馨單位更加吸引。自然光令每一個角落都閃閃發亮，就係我哋最想捕捉嘅畫面。好期待同大家分享成果。書房呢個den可變成第3個睡房，間隔實用，光線充足，一入屋就有家嘅感覺。新盤即將登場，詳情同埋睇樓時間好快公佈，準備好一齊去見證佢嘅發光發亮。Let's get it sold！ 尋覓理想家，揾樓揾家家。Find your dream home, build your future.